loose all the screw. Get a mallet. Hear the sound.
Just to give it a gap, right? And then
Better to get a rubber. Then be careful your finger. Lift up.
okay.
This one, use the butt.
Okay.
This one a bit tight. Maybe you can use the bit. Careful.
Okay, just to have it slip out easily. Don't you cut this tire?
You can cut it,
can
but
cut
this one is
or-
a new tire with just a demo.
Okay, just a demo. So if it's really worn out, you can cut
Remember,
it.
never use mallet to knock here. You might
You're gonna knock the magnets
the
out of
mallet
place.
will loose. Okay,
That's it. All right. And then put in the new tire.
Put the new one.
Okay, let's pretend it's the new tire.
Okay, you
And
need a
so-
bike.
Okay, let's pretend it's the new tire. So put it back in.
No, you need
That's it.
push it
How do you know whether it's sitting correctly?
flat. A bit more flat here.
Okay.
But it's okay. Later when you tighten the hub, the thing will sit.
Right. You'll push it in. That's it.
Mm.
Okay. Thanks.